What's going on, everybody? I got some new drum heads. Put some Remo pinstripes on the toms. So I'll go all the way around. I'll pan around, show you the new heads on the toms. I've been playing them a little bit, so they got marks on them. That's what us drummers do. I also put new drum heads on my snares. The 10-inch snare. It's got a controlled sound, clear, black dot. And same thing on the 14-inch. Controlled sound, clear, black dot. And let's go around the kit. I'll do one at a time, because a lot of times when drummers do videos, they play too fast and you really can't hear the tone of the drums. So this is what it is, what it sounds like just recording with my phone. Anyway, from behind the kit, here we go. 10-inch, 12-inch, 13-inch, 14-inch, and here we go across the range, the tone. And here's the 16. Man, I like that. That's D. Here we go. So all the way across. Bass drum. I don't have a new head on it, but just wanted you to hear it. See if we can get a little faster. Well, that's it. That's the drum heads.